Welcome to Ultimate Must Know, where we bring you the most fascinating facts from around the world. Today we're diving into the world of airplanes, those incredible machines that defy gravity and connect the globe. Get ready to uncover amazing airplane facts that will blow your mind. The fastest passenger jet. The Concorde was a supersonic jet that could travel at twice the speed of sound, reaching over 1,354 miles per hour. This allowed it to fly from New York to London in under 3 hours, while regular flights take over 7. Unfortunately, due to high costs and safety concerns, it was retired in 2003, and no commercial supersonic jets have replaced it yet. Planes can fly on one engine. Did you know that commercial planes don't need both engines to stay in the air? Even if one fails, modern jets are designed to fly safely for hours on a single engine. And in the extremely rare case that both engines fail, pilots can still glide the plane for over 100 miles before landing. The biggest plane ever. The Antonov An-2-25 Maria was the largest cargo plane ever built, with a wingspan of 290 feet and the power of 6 massive engines. It could carry more than 250 tons, which is like having 50 elephants on board. Sadly, it was destroyed in 2022, but there are plans to rebuild this aviation giant. The longest flight in the world. The longest non-stop commercial flight is operated by Singapore Airlines, flying from Singapore to New York. It covers 9,537 miles, and the journey takes approximately 19 hours. That's nearly an entire day in the air. Oxygen mask. If cabin pressure drops, oxygen masks deploy, but they only provide oxygen for about 15 minutes. That might sound short, but it's more than enough time for pilots to descend to a lower altitude where passengers can breathe normally. Different meals. To avoid both pilots getting food poisoning, airlines serve the pilot and co-pilot different meals. If one meal is contaminated, at least one pilot will still be able to fly safely. Planes get hit by lightning. Every commercial plane is struck by lightning at least once a year, but they are built to handle it safely. The electricity passes through the metal body and exits without damaging the aircraft. Cargo holds can be freezing. The lower cargo area of an airplane can drop below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, making it dangerously cold. That's why airlines use heated compartments when transporting pets or sensitive cargo. And that's a wrap on today's incredible airplane facts. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an amazing fact from Ultimate Must Know. Check out our other videos for more fascinating facts about the world around you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.